Question 8. Sydney flew to Melbourne, Australia. The flying time to Melbourne, which is 11 hours ahead of Britain, was 21 hours. Sydney's flight left London at 11:30 a.m. on Tuesday. What time was it in Melbourne when Sydney's flight arrived? Now, there's a bit of a joke in here in so much as Sydney is in Australia, but this is the name, so we ignore the name. Sydney, the name has nothing to do with the question. We are flying from Britain to Australia. There is a time difference, and therefore we need to accommodate that as well as the flight travelling. So I always draw a picture at this point. We are told that London is 11 hours ahead. So there is 11 hours. They start at 11:30 a.m. on Tuesday. The whole journey takes 21 hours. So if you stood in London and the aeroplane moved to here, then what you would have is you would add 21 hours to this. 21 hours is the same as saying 1 day, subtract 3 hours, if you want to know how I do it. So it would be 11:30 a.m. on Wednesday, except it's 3 hours before, which means it is so the travel time means that when you're standing in London at 8:30 a.m. on Wednesday, then the flight will arrive in Melbourne at that time. Or you could do it by thinking about, so you can do it this way to work out this, but you can also work it out this way. Now it's easier to add 11 hours to 11:30 because we can just add like we know how to add. So this is when the flight leaves London. In Melbourne, it is actually 22:30 on Tuesday. So we're going to add 21 hours to this. And again, I'm going to add a day and take away 3, which takes me to 19:30 on Wednesday. So 19:30 Wednesday. Is the same as saying 7:30 p.m. on Wednesday. So the solution is C.